Hey Al, how you doing?
Hey Kevin.
So a couple weeks in the rough wiring and you finally made your way up to the master bedroom?
We have.
What's the plan up here?
Well, we're going to just delete this wall sconce location. The homeowner no longer wants it.
Okay.
But let me show you something really, really cool. It's not often we get to show you this application. So behind that deleted wall sconce, you see here, you see this gas pipe. Originally probably like 1895 when the house was built. That's what powered the light fixture.
So a little key to turn on the gas, light it up?
Correct. And probably sometime in the early 1900s, they electrified the building with knob and tube wiring you see here.
Yep, so just ran that right in the bays, right?
They did. And then probably around the 40s or 50s, you'll see this modern wiring.
We got a history of lighting in this house in 2 bays right here.
It's
That's
amazing.
Awesome.
So what I have to do is I have to add a plug in the master bedroom. And the way I do that is I look for a reference point. And what I mean by that is I take, perfect examples, I have a pipe over here. Below us is exposed, so I can use that to measure off of.
So where are we putting this new outlet in this room?
We're going to put it in the center of the window in the baseboard.
So right here.
Correct. We're going to install it right here.
So below us is that living room, and that's got the finished ceiling. So we have to go around those?
Correct. What we're going to do is we're going to pull the wire from the panel through the unfinished area in the kitchen,
yes,
across the living room ceiling. We'll make a small hole below,
okay,
and then we'll drill up into the cavity.
So that hole below is the reference point that we need. We get started how?
We start by measuring. So the first thing I do is get a rough number about 72 inches there. Then we go into the master closet.
Send that tape this way. Okay, what do you got?
We got 118, so 118 and 72 is 190 inches roughly. So let's go downstairs and measure off our reference point. Okay, Kevin, here is our reference point from up above. So why don't you grab that end and I'll pass the other end to Danny. We want to be at 190.
All right. One lip high. It is actually a great reference point.
It's awesome. Okay, Kevin, so the issue here is that the crown molding is original with the house. That's the thing we just don't want to damage, okay? The ceiling's getting painted, so making a hole here is not a big deal.
Yeah.
So Danny, you want to pass you the drill and you make that hole?
All right.
How's it look, Dan?
Looks pretty good. Looks pretty open.
All right, here's the snake.
All right.
Looks pretty good. I think we passed the floorboards. I think we're a balloon in there, I think.
Okay, I'll go up above and start cutting in the hole.
All right.
While I'm drilling the hole, Dan and Kevin will snake the wire from the kitchen ceiling across the living room ceiling to this location here. All right, well, I've cut through the baseboard, so now I have to cut out the wood lath and plaster that's behind it. I got it, Dan. I'm going to put this wire into this junction box. Then I'm going to ground the junction box and mount it to the baseboard, and we'll be done.
All right, Al, that seemed like that was pretty straightforward, right?
Yeah, that's a pretty easy one.
So any more wires to run to this room?
Telephone, cable, internet, and then we're off to the master bath.
Cool, all right, thanks. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.